if we use this order r and alpha, then r runs from 0 to 1 and alpha runs from 0 to pi half. So the map capital Phi maps this rectangle into this part of the circle. If we use these transformation to polar coordinates, then they are especially useful when the integration domain is a part of the circle, namely if H looks like that, that means R runs from R1 to R2 and the angle alpha runs from alpha 1 to alpha 2, then this transformation function maps such a rectangle into a set that looks like that. You see, this is in the xy plane, and R, that measures the distance from the origin, starts at R1 and it goes up to R2. And alpha, that measures the angle, starts at alpha 1 on this side and goes up to alpha 2, which corresponds to this side. So if the integration domain looks like that, then using polar coordinate system transforms this integration domain into a rectangle. And if further the integrated function has some good properties, like having the circular symmetry or something like that, then the transformation into polar coordinates is very, very useful.